So here I am at the Memories Varadero Resort here in Cuba. I'm just on the outside of my room. I'm just kind of pointing toward the stairs coming up to my room. Here's my room coming up this way. Number 34202. You can see it's kind of an older looking building, well, door. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Has to be stripped to the left. Coming into my room now. So that was already in there, so to keep the fan running. So you first come into the entranceway. Obviously there's a closet right here. Not that bad. A ton of hangers. Clothes iron, or ironing board, should I say. Meant for something I'm not doing. Coming over on the left side of that closet. Is kind of sectioned off with, of course, the drawer similar to my other place that I was at. Similar looking lock, except for about 100 years old. Compared to the other one was much nicer looking. Actually, this one looks really, really old. I'm going to try it out shortly. A blanket. Should I say an extra blanket? And there I am. Very basic bathroom. Light, toilet, obviously. Let me just say, they got two settings on there. I can't even remember if that's the same as before. Yeah, just a regular toilet. Looks like they just cleaned it, because I know they did say that it wasn't ready yet. Man, two little towels for the floor if you get out of the shower. Let's see in here. Let's open that up. Stand-in shower, a little rough around the edges. You can see a little bit of rough. It looks like almost like rust. Pretty small tub, honestly. If I were to sit in that thing, I probably couldn't even fit in it that well. Little towel rack, which there's not even any towels on that thing, because I'll close that off. Let's get back out of here. A small bench. I don't know what the point is though, what those pieces of wood at the top. Mirror. Again, a small TV on a desk with a chair. Looks like a little garbage of sorts. Side table. Side table. Big bed. What's that, like a two doubles it almost looks like, but maybe it's like a king size or something. I'm not sure exactly. Probably king size. A chair with a ottoman. Table. This is probably like when you have a kid, you can sleep on here with your, significant other, and you have a kid's bed for your kid. Let me go outside here on the deck. Oh geez, it's locked. Of course it's locked. Oh, wow, that's different. Look at that. It's actually got a chain on there. I've never seen that before. Not at the other resort I was on. Oh, it's kind of almost broken. It's just loose. It's not broken. It's just loose. Oh, they only got two screws in there. Look. I don't know if you can see that. There's one screw right there, and one screw at the top right. So it's only held with two. That's why it looks so loose. Okay, coming outside here. Nice little balcony. Nothing too crazy. I'm just going to sit down for a second. Just give you a view of the outside here. I'm like on the other end of the resort. It's such a big resort. They literally have, like, you have to get a ride from here because it's so far. I mean, you could probably walk it, but it's probably going to take you like half hour. But, oh, look at that. Can you see that? You can see ocean. I got a better view, but you can see right between that tree, on either side, there's an ocean view. That's just as good than a pool, better than a pool view. Pool's over there. He said the pool's there. There's a buffet over there. Or just over there somewhere. Oh, now look at that. Actually, if you see that, that's a slide. So I think I get a chance to go on the slide. So it's really nice, actually. I'm still kind of up in the air. Let me go back into the room here just for a minute. So that's it. I'm going to show you that, and that's it, right? So I'm going to keep it at that for that. And I'll do another video on some of my thoughts so far, maybe.